Let's create a video automatically with AI, for real, for free. Go to Canva and sign up. Choose a video. Let's click on Generate Videos instantly. Now select at least 3 files to add to your video. I chose photos, but you can choose videos too. Maximum 10. Now let's describe your video. Click Generate. Voila, there you have it. There's room for improvement, of course, but we can add it. So let's do it. Let's change a few things. And when you're happy with it, just click on Share, download again, and that's it. Here is the result. Check it out. This is just an example. I'm sure you can do so much better than I. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.